Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. Difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. I repeat, difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. So, children, are you ready with your book copy and compass? In our last video, we have seen how to solve the examples based on mixed problem. In continuation with that, let us move on towards the problem set 13. So, hope you have completed your copies up till now. So, let us move on to the first question. See, to manage the screen, that is whole question and answer in one screen, the font has been kept small. So, you can write the question from textbook and can write the answer from the video also. क्वेश्चन और पूरा आंसर एक जगह दिखाने के लिए फॉन्ट थोड़ा छोटा रखा गया है, बट आपको अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो आप बुक में से टेक्स्ट बुक में से क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं. एंड व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द आंसर इन योर कॉपी, यू हैव टू राइट द मेथड्स वन बिलो द अनदर. बाकी जैसे कि वैसा लिखेंगे, बाकी आंसर जैसे कि वैसा, बस मेथड पार्ट में फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन पहले लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट मेथड पहले लिखेंगे, उसके नीचे सेकंड मेथड लिखेंगे, राइट. आजू बाजू में नहीं लिखेंगे. आई हैव जस्ट डन इट टू मैनेज द स्पेस, बट यू हैव टू राइट प्रॉपरली. राइट डाउन द फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन, then below it second operation. So, the forest department planted 23,078 trees of care, 19,476 of behada, besides trees of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of care nor of behada? Okay, so what the three numbers are given in the question? First is number of trees of care. What is the second number? Number of trees of behada. What is the third number? Total number of trees. See, trees altogether. So you can write total number of trees. Write down this information in the given part. Now move on towards the last sentence. How many trees were neither of care nor of behada? So, for to find out, first we have to see the total number of trees are divided under three heads. First is care, second is behada, and third is several other trees. So first two parts has been given. Last part, that is third part, several other parts, you have to find out. So for that you have to add the first two quantities they are given and then subtract it from the total. Just in our last video I have explained how to go for the such type of operation. So for first to find out, we have to find the sum of care and behada trees, and in next part, to find a number of several other trees, we need to subtract the sum of these from the total. Okay, so the first we have to add, then we have to subtract. Write down the operation properly. Then in method part, we will first do the addition of care and behada trees. So arrange the numbers one below the another. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 का 4, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 का 5, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 का 2, 1 will be carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 42,554 are total number of trees of care and behada type. Now let us subtract it from the total number of trees. Okay, so arrange the 50,000 and 42,554 properly one below the another, then start subtraction. 0 minus 4, not possible, ask for a borrow. Now this 0 is also don't have anything. He will ask for the borrow from its next place. He also don't have anything. Ask for a borrow from the next place. He also don't have anything. So he will ask for borrow to the its next place. Now this 5 will become 4 after giving borrow, and this 0 will become 10 after getting borrow. Now this 10 is also have to give borrow to the its previous place. So this 10 will become 9 if he will then after giving borrow to its previous place. Now this 10 also have to give borrow to its previous place, hence he will also become 9. So this 0 will again become 10 and this 10 will again become 9 after giving borrow to its previous place. So this 0 will become 10 after getting borrow. Okay. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So what is my last answer? 7446. So what is the answer of first operation? 42,554. What is this? Write down it in proper sentence. Sum of Khair and Behada trees is 42,554. What is your second answer? Its total number of several other trees. So number of several other trees are 7,446. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this include 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? See, in the city there are three types of people. One is men, second is women, and third is children. So, for getting the number of children, what we have to do? We have to add number of men and women, then subtract it from the total. So rest of the children I will get as a result of subtraction. So let us write down whatever has given in the question. What is the first number? It's a population of a city. So total population of city. Next, what is the number? It's a number of men. What is the next number? It's a number of women. Now what is the last sentence? What is the number of children in the city? So first you have to add sum. First you have to find the sum of men and women's number. So first to find out will become sum of men and women. In the next to find out, I will have to subtract this sum from the total. So second to find out will be number of children. So operation will be first addition since it is sum, and in second operation will be subtraction since we have to subtract this sum from the total. So arrange the numbers one below the another. 9 plus 8 will be 17. 17 ka 7. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 ka 4. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 4 5. 4 plus 6 10. 10 ka 0. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 ka 2. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 0 2. 1 plus 1 2. So what is your answer? It's 22,20,547. What is this number? It's a sum of men and women in the city. Now I will subtract this number from the total population of the city. So arrange the numbers one below the another. So 6 minus 7 not possible. Ask for a borrow. So this 2 will become 1 after giving borrow, and this 6 will become 16 after getting borrow. So 16 minus 7 will be 9. Again 1 minus 4 not possible. Ask for a borrow. This 9 will become 8 after giving borrow, and this 1 will become 11 after getting borrow. So 11 minus 4 will be 7. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Again 0 minus 2 not possible. Ask for a borrow. This 7 will become 6 after giving borrow, and this 0 will become 10 after getting borrow. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 3 minus 2 will be 1. So what is this number? 14,84,379. This number, what is this number? These are the total number of children in the city. So write down both answers in proper sentence. So the first answer is sum of men and women is 22,20,547. And what is the next answer? Number of children are 14,84,379. So write down everything in your maths copy accordingly. Just keep it in mind that you don't have to write down both methods side by side. You have to write methods one below the another. First ये मेथड 1 लिखेंगे, उसके नीचे मेथड 2 लिखेंगे. Okay, and repeat all the sums for at least 2 times in your homework copy. Make it enough practice. In our next video we will see last 2 sums of this lesson. Thank you.